Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect our ExpressJS API with database. We have two choices of database to connect now. The first choice is download the MongoDB app or software into our system and save the data which comes from ExpressJS API into the system's hard disk through MongoDB app or software. And the second choice is save the data which comes from Express API to the MongoDB database provider. There are some websites which give us that service to save our data into their websites. I'm going to show you on this website MLab, which I'm going to use to save data, to save our ExpressJS data. First of all, you have to sign up to use this database services. Sign up and create a account in this website. I already have account, so I can log in. Here, for creating a new database, click on this button, this create new button. It asks you what platform you want to use to create your database. A cloud provider. Which cloud provider you want to use? There are three. It's your choice. What do you want to use? Amazon, Google, Microsoft is here. I am using this Amazon. And the second decision is plan type. You have to select one of them. There are three. Sandbox is free, shared, and dedicated or paid. This according to your needs. I use Sandbox because it's free and it gives us 0.5 GB storage to save our data. Click on it and continue. It asks you that on which region you want to create your database, US East or Europe. I click on Europe. Here, name the database. It's your choice what name you give it. So give it Express API and submit order. Is creating a database is created. These are Express API database. Click on it. Here our data is shown here, but we don't push in data, so none at this time. Users, to push data into MLab database, we have to create a user, admin, to access this database, to write or read. So come to users by clicking on it and click this button, add database user. Type database user name. I use admin. It's your choice what name you give it. And password 1 2 3 4 5 6, and for password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Please don't check this. If you check it, so you are only able to read the data, not write, so don't check it. Create. Our user is created, which name is admin. To connect our database with it, copy this URL, come to VS Code, which is our editor, main folder. This is the basic ExpressJS API we created recently in the previous video. In the main folder, which is server, create a new file which name is database.js. Inside this, we done all our configurations to connect a database, and so let's go. First of all, check it. JSON. As you can see that in the previous video, I already installed MongoDB and Mongoose dependency. So now I don't want to install it. Import it. Const mongo client is equals to require MongoDB dot mongo client. Import mongoose from mongoose. In this line we require MongoDB means import and save its Mongo client property into Mongo client web, and in this line we import mongoose from mongoose module. Mongoose. Now type mongoose dot connect, and here type the URL which we copy from this mlab website, paste it, and new object, and type use Mongo client true. There's some compulsory things you have to do. We pasted this URL, but we have to type our username inside it, into it. In my case, admin. You see that our username is admin and password. Our user password is 123456. When you create a user for your database, so that username and password you have to type in this URL to connect with your database. And now create a new variable that db is used to mongoose dot connection db dot on error console dot error dot bind. Now type console connection error. This line works when our database is not connect to when our database has some issues. db dot once function, let's make it fatter, which is going to return db. This code runs when our database is successfully connected, when a database is successfully opened, right? So this file is okay. Come to index.js file. Now inside this main file, which is index.js, you have to import the database file. Import database, start our server, npm start, enter. once a minute. Type here console log database is connected. Server started, database is connected. Our Express API is successfully connected with our database. So it's enough for this video. I hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then like it. If you dislike it, so dislike it, and let me know the reason by tab in comments. And if anybody have any questions, tab in comments. And again, thanks for watching. Bye.